Now you can start the demo.
Okay. So Hari, in the data, if we talk about the data hub, so data hub comes into the picture whenever you want to integrate your hybrid system to any of the third-party system, whether it is a SAP or non-SAP system, to your with your hybrid system. So
Yeah.
data hub comes into it act as a middle layer between the two systems over there. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
so in the data hub, we basically we talk about these content courses. In that way, technically, we talk about the introduction of the data hub. We talk about the architecture of the data hub. Then we talk about the how you can create your data hub extensions, how you configure your data hub over there, and how you push your data whenever you want to send your data from via data hub to your hybrid system. You can do it over there. And we talk about the data hub composition over there, and the publication and data hub adapters. So basically, these are the this is almost you can say that 24 or near about 24 hours of training over there. So in these, this is 3 day training over there. So 8 hours each day, but it will be around 24 hours of training, in which we talk about the theoretical things and we do it practical way as well. So how you can push your data from uh, hybrid system to your SAP system and SAP system to hybrid system. So we can cover one scenario over there, and the same way you can do it for the other scenario as well. But in the practical part, we talk about how you can push your data, how you can write your composition handler, and all those things. So basically, this is the data architecture. So that whenever you send your data from any third-party resource, it will be with the help of the adapters, which is out of box available in your data hub. So with the help of those adapters, you can it will be converted into the raw. From raw, it will be converted to the canonical, and from canonical, it will be converted to the target system. So whenever you want to do any transformation between the raw to the canonical item, we call them a we have to write a composition handler for those things. And whenever you want to uh, do any transformation in between the canonical to the target system, you have to do the transform. You have to write the publication handler over there in between of the canonical and the target system. Okay, so out of box there will be hybrid outbound adapters are there, which is responsible to push your data to your hybrid system or SAP system or non-SAP system. Okay, so these adapters are already there. You don't need to worry about those adapters. But if you want to do some customization for your client is specific, some other system is there, then you have to write your own adapter, because there will be some limited adapters are there. So for those things, I don't think so it will be required, because if you are talking about the hybrid thing, then it's all the adapters are already there. Okay, so these are the things we cover over there. So basically, for those things, we have to set up our hybrid system, our hybrid standalone server, so that we can put our data hub things over there. Got my point?
Mean to say like these adapters are like controllers or any other specific service classes?
These are the you can say it's not a controller; it's services are there. Okay, these are the
Okay.
services actually. Okay, these are the RESTful web services which is responsible for those things. So whenever you push your data from one system to another system, these are web services will help you to push your data or consume the data from where it is coming to there. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
got my point? Okay,
Yeah.
so basically we cover all those things scenarios over there, and whatever the things. This is a SAP had this main portal from where you that will be uh, the cost of this hybrid suit is there. Everything from there you can check those things. So
Mhm.
these are the things we can cover there. We talk about the architecture, data processing, data hub integration, all those things. How you can deploy your extension, how you can create your own extension, all your configuration, data loading, modeling, everything we can cover over here. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
and these are the things that we are going to cover over here. So tell me, what is your expectation from this training, and what main area you want to focus over there?
Yeah. I want to learn as much I can with the data hub and integration with SAP. with SAP ERP systems.
Okay. Okay.
In
So
the
once
real
you
world.
have the, okay, so once you have the data hub training, then one more training is there, which we call them as a advice 600. Basically, this is a main training you have to do after that as well, because this is SAP integration training of the advice 600. No more rested over the check. Just remove some links from there. Okay, this is a HY 600 that you are talking about. That is a HY 600 training is there. Okay, and in that way training we talk about the integration of the ERP system and all those, particularly ERP system or any of the ERP or CRM system. That how you replicate your master data from like product price and customers from ERP system to a hybrid system via data hub. And this has got the master data replication. We talk about the product stock level pricing thing and the synchronous and asynchronous way. So there will be two way of adding your hybrid system to your SAP system. One is a synchronous way and one is another asynchronous way. So if we talk about the synchronous way, we talk it means that there will be a no data hub comes into the picture. Okay, then there will be a direct call to your SAP backend system. Okay, there will be no interface in between those things. And if you talk about the asynchronous mode, then there will be a data hub comes into the picture over there. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So these are the things what we cover over there. So mm, apart from this, so like here we have the standard server and all those things from where you can do start your hybrid things and all those things. So this is already configured data about there. Okay. So like this way we can set up all those things in your system that your data hub, hybrid suite, everything is there. So it will be so these are the configuration you have to manage over there. Okay, we can talk about this configuration. How you this is actually a data hub server which is running over there. Once you push any data from the data hub thing, it will be loaded over here.
You mean to say there will be separate one more server apart from hybrid server?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
That will be a small Tomcat server, standalone server, but yes, we need a separate Tomcat server for the data hub, not in the hybrid server.
Okay.
Okay, got my point? So
Yeah.
like this we have to do the, oh yes. So so this is what we cover in the data hub training. So basically we use a Postman because we don't have any backend system. So we use with the help of the Postman. I can show you in the demo part how you can push your data and you can see your data in your hybrid system. Okay,
Okay.
got more. So I can push the data from there and from the data hub, and we can write our own extension, own composition, and then publication as per requirement. And we talk about those things. You can do it on your system. You can configure the data in your system. Then we can start those things over there.
Okay. You mean to say like creating extension is like uh, is it like
It's not the similar.
YMP or Y accelerator?
Like, no, 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 don't. It's not the creation of extension in the hybrid. It's something different over here, because here the extensions are the raw and target extensions are created. So it's not the similar way. That will be a lot different with the sorry, hybrid extension. So a lot different with the data. It's the similar one, but but this extension are the different one. Okay, so the
Okay.
extension we call in the habits is the habits extension. Here we also call the extension, but here we have to create the three extensions. Okay, so rock, anchor, and target, and there we lots of commands you have to run over there. Then only the extension your extension will be created. That's no
Okay.
problem. So it's not a similar one. It's much more different than the other things. Because
Okay.
once you have your data hub, maybe I can show you from there.
Does it support 6.1 version or above versions?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It's fine. Currently, I'm working on 6.2. That will be not in a Macintosh. It will internal use for me, but it works with all those. So see, these are the extensions which we created over there. So bench and target. There are something different thing over there you can create over there. Okay,
These are
not
for
the
data hub.
same one as
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the things we can cover in the training over there. So do you have any question for me?
Like, what is the duration of the course?
That will be of 24 hours training. Okay, it's totally depend upon you how easily you can grab those things. Okay, basically it will take 24 hours if you have a SAP background, or you can say you are in the habits background. That will be easy for you to pick up those things. The things are so different, but that will be easy for you to understand the terminology.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Like, do you do training only like in a batch or only one-to-one training?
Basically, we prefer for the 2 to 3 people in a batch. It's for this we have to talk with the Hari and the Neil over there. So one, uh, there will be a Neil and all those things sorting. Then only we can figure out how we can do it. Okay. Basically, we do it in the batch. If you want to do it alone, that will be. I don't think so. That will be good for you. Not even good for me. Basically, with 2 or 3 people, we can do it. One. Okay.
Okay.
Minimum two. Okay.
Do you want any certifications in hybrids?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Like, I mean, like which version?
Huh?
Which
I'm already
version?
certified kind of 5.5, 4.8. I'm already certified in 4.5, 4.8 and 5.5.
Those are in core module or commerce module as
Both almost both.
well? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And if we want to integrate with any ERP system, are we gonna use the same data hub or are we gonna use any other things?
So you have to use either data hub or without data hub. So that's why I'm talking about. So these things you can cover in the HY 600 training. Okay. Once you're done with the data hub training, then
Okay.
you have to learn about the HY 600 training as well. Because without a data hub training, you can't understand this one. And once
Okay.
you want to do it on the ERP system, particularly ERP or CRM system, you have to learn about those things as well. So these are the things are more configuration things. That what are the setting, what are the configuration you have to do on the hybrid side, data hub side. So whenever you
Okay.
push your product and customer and price from the ERP system, that will be reflected into your hybrid system. And once you
Okay.
place your order from the hybrid system, it's via data it will go into the ERP system. So these are the things over there. And that other thing that you are talking about, the how you can integrate our system as well. Other scenario apart from the data hub, then this is a synchronous order management. With the help of RFC and JCO connection, you can connect your hybrid system to your ERP system. You can give a direct call to your ERP system. Okay, there will be no data comes into the picture.
Okay. If I learn data hub and SAP as ERP system, is it easy for me to integrate any other system like OpenText or any other responses?
Yes, it's easy for you because the terminology will be the same. Because once you learn the data hub and the integration, and you know the basic of what are the interfaces from where we can connect your Apple system. other open source or other third-party system to your happy system. Okay,
Okay.
so you
Okay.
have to learn about these interfaces over there.
Okay. Like in which time zone you will teach the classes?
Uh, Basically, I'm going to prefer evening classes. Okay, but we can discuss because as for the other person, we can do. I'm flexible with the timing. Okay, because basically I have to go to my office as well from 9 to 5. So apart from that way timing, Indian timing, I'm available for any other time. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So
Yeah.
these are the timings. It will be not. I'm not available over there, but apart from that, I'm available over
Okay. Like do you give training with the real time examples, right? Within these
there.
3 days after 24 hours of training.
Mm-hmm. So what exactly? What I'm not getting.
Yeah, because I can learn the things from the wiki with these things like data hub, materialistic things. But I want the real time example scenarios.
So for real-time scenarios that we do it with the, we take a new product, we create a new product, okay,
Mhm.
from there, and we push that right product from the data up to your hybrid system, like product replication, okay. So whenever data is coming from the SAP system, it comes into the form of IDOC, okay. Got my
Okay.
point?
Yeah,
So
yeah, I
we
have
need,
gone through that material and everything. CSV, I
yeah.
got side dogs and yeah.
So
But in wiki they haven't provided any how they provided for core and commerce module. They haven't provided for this data hub and SAP ERP systems. The real time
mm,
examples.
no, they don't have those things with the real easy because these are the highly paid tools that they are working with it. They're not going
Oh,
to give you those things for there. Okay, even you can
oh,
see the prices of this data happening, all those things so high over there. Okay,
oh, okay.
so these are not actually basically they want the charges for those things. They are not going to do it as open source for people. Okay,
Okay.
and the real scenario that you are talking about, we talk about how you could replicate your product. We have the product tied up, like I have the, like, like we are going to replicate this partner, this customer in your ERP system. From ERP system to your, with the help of this is the item which is coming from the ERP system.
Okay.
Like this way it will process over there. I have pushed this item over there from the postman, it will process and push into the ERP system over there. What more point? Whatever the item
Okay.
I have pushed over there, it will process over there. Okay?
Oh.
So my happy server is running, so it will start hosting process. Got more point?
You mean to say
So
like both the systems should be running when we are
yes,
working on the.
yes, every system. Backend, your SAP ERP system should be running, your data hub should be running, your happy server should be running.
Oh, okay.
All the things should be running.
In order to run these systems, what would be the system configuration?
Sorry?
What would be the system configuration needed for to run these systems parallel?
So, so there will be a lot of configuration, not the single one. There will be a lot of configuration you have to do it before running the system over there. Okay, there will not a small one that you have to do this checklist. No, there will be a lot of things you have to configure. There are a lot of things you have to configure over there. Okay, there are a lot of configuration you have to maintain over there. But these are the configuration which already inbuilt over there. Okay, there are a lot of things you have to configure over here.
Okay.
Okay, so not the single one. There will be a lot of configuration you have to manage over there.
Oh, okay.
Anything else?
Yeah. Okay, I'll talk with Neil and Swati, and they'll reach you on this time.
Yes, sure. Yes, sure, sure. Thank you, man.
One more question, last question.
Mhm.
Yeah, what will be the web service you will be using to get the IDOCs and data to and fro for the IP?
See, earlier, till for 6.2, we are using a REST web, full web services. They are using for the iDocs from the 6.2. They are using SOAP services data. Okay, so these you no need to worry about those services because these services are already inbuilt in the data hub jars over there because there will be lot of jars are out of box available. So you no need to worry about those things. Okay, so you have to configure your if you have your ERP system, you have to configure your partner profile and the port number and all those things of your data hub in that very ERP system. Whenever you send the IDOC, it will be received by this server. Okay, it will be received by this server. Okay,
Okay.
you have to configure.
Yeah.
The it should be clear.
Okay. And with the data hub, is there any possibility to connect to the Adobe CQ5 replacing WCMS in from Hybris?
Yes, it is possible, but again, it totally depend in which format you are receiving and in which format you are sending your data to your CQ system because you have to know about the CQ system interface as well. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So totally because again that will be another third party system. So there will be no adapters. Might be no adapters will be there. I'm confirmed. There will be no adapter for the CQ file. Then definitely you have to write your own adapter for those things. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Okay, I'll
Okay.
speak with Swati and Neil, and I think they can reach you tomorrow.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.